Hey everybody, Jim King back out here in Cameron, Missouri with our King Piers team, laying everything out. This house here, we've got 5 or 6 total King Piers in all being installed. We got one here going in, one here in the corner, one right here under this middle garage column here, and one right here. Also on the inside in the utility room, the floor is cracked and dropped, so we're going to put one in there, bring everything back up to level. The back side of the house has already been piered when they built the house. So we just got here, getting ready to start digging our holes. Stay tuned for more videos. This is day one, Cameron. Cameron, Missouri. We've done a lot of projects out here in Cameron. We piered the church, the Cameron Christian Church, back in 2011, and we've done so many houses out here. It's a pretty good jog from Kansas City, but we don't mind it. We'll go anywhere to save a sinking building, house, or structure. So give us a call, 816-288-4373. You can always go to our website, kingpiers.com. Check us out on Facebook. Give us a like and a share. And last but not least, our YouTube channel is very important to us. We've got more video content than most anybody you can see on that does this type of work. Google themselves have told us that. So we like to post all of our videos for people to see proper foundation repair. We don't get paid to tear up your foundation. We get paid to fix it. We don't go to bedrock. We create bedrock. kingpiers.com. Thank you.